Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me. My words. As always, before doing against this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there if you do enjoy the content. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we are, troops. It's Tuesday, the 21st of February, 2023, and it is the start of a new trading week, a short trading week, troops. And if you made the same mistake that I did yesterday, you forgot that the market was closed and you sat at your computer waiting for pre-market, wondering what the hell's going on. Anyway, here we are, so let's get into it. Quick look at AMC. Really positive week last week, troops. I'm really glad that we reclaimed that $5 area and we retested it as well on Thursday, a low of 505. Closing eventually at 524, so slightly down. However, that for me was important to see that we retook that support and resistance line right there. I've had my proxy material through for voting in the upcoming vote on whether to convert APE to AMC and then perform a 10-for-1 reverse split. I'm still undecided, troops. I don't know about you. Stick it in the comments. Let me know where you're at with it. But I really don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm reading some stuff online, trying to work out where this strategy is going. How is it going to be any different to what's gone before? What I will say is, I've said it for a long time now, APE was an absolute disaster. And I don't know, could it get any worse? Well, yeah, it could go to zero, couldn't it? So it could get worse. And will converting it back to AMC be any worse? Will it cause any more? I've said it before, my only reservation is once that price goes up because of the reverse split, if it's voted through, I don't see many retail people, new retail people, jumping in to buy AMC if it's, $70, whatever it might be, once it's done its reverse split. That's my reservation, troops. Let me know what you think. Anyway, over to APE. Bit of a sideways week last week for APE, troops. Not really much going on at all. I think this is going to be some sort of pattern now with APE, if I'm being honest, because people are just waiting to see, what's going to happen with this vote. We might get some short closure and closing, combine that. Some short closing, new word there, new technical trading word. Now, we might get some shorts closing as we edge towards that vote date, but I'm not expecting much action there at all, troops. All to play for on APE and AMC. GameStop, again, another very positive week, in my opinion, troops. We've reclaimed, we tested that 1940 area a couple of times, dipped below it a little bit. Finishing the week at 21.99 with a technical breakout of the descending levels of resistance, which I had marked out, which I am really pleased to see. We came back and we tested that lower one. Look, if you can see there on Thursday, we dipped ever so slightly below it, but these aren't 100% accurate. So give or take a few pennies, we did come back and test that lower level as support there, and it bounced off it nicely, and we opened and closed above it on Friday. So that was positive for me. I did watch the close on Friday and watch this close at $22, and then obviously they had the post-closing auction, which brought it down to $21.99. Oh, amazing that happened, given that there were quite some calls coming into the money at $22. Free and fair market, troops. Free and fair market. Anyway, this week, looking forward to, as always, I'm always looking forward to the trading week. See what happens. We're edging closer, like I said, towards the APE AMC vote. GameStop earnings is fast approaching as well. That's going to be in around 3 weeks' time. Lots of institutional buy-in for GameStop. All the 13Fs have been coming out. Lots of institutions either starting new positions or increasing their positions. I've got my own theory on that. I'm not going to share it here at the moment. I want to see how it plays out, but I will at some point in the future. That's it, troops. Thanks ever so much for watching. As always, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.